Attributive adjectives. In fact, we could say this about all adjectives. Attributive adjectives agree with the nouns they modify. All adjectives do. In gender and number, and also in determination. This is a new piece of information. We could have guessed they were going to agree in gender and number. So if we're talking about a man that's singular masculine, the adjective that modifies it would be singular masculine. But the adjective is also going to agree in determination. Let me show you what that means in a minute. This is not unlike Greek, by the way, and also somewhat similar to the common positioning of adjectives in Greek. Attributive adjectives follow the noun. And I was bold enough to use the word always here. Anytime a language teacher uses always, you should rejoice, because these are rare occasions. Attributive adjectives always follow the noun. Yeah, and this sets up wonderful true-false questions on the next test. Now, let's go back to our example. All right? A good man. Knowing what you now know about attributive adjectives, how would you say a good man? First of all, what's the word for man? Let's do vocab. The word for man is ish. The word for good is tov, right? Now what about endings? What about the form? Is this ish is masculine singular? Tov as it stands is masculine singular. All right? Now, second question, what about determination? Is man definite or indefinite? Indefinite. So, do we have to do anything to ish? No. What about the adjective? The adjective also is indefinite. It agrees in number gender. It agrees in being indefinite. What's our third principle? Attributive adjectives follow the noun. We have now written a good man in Hebrew. Though in Hebrew the word order is really something like this. A man good. A man good. Not a good man, but a man good. That is to say, the adjective follows the noun. It's almost helpful to think of this idiom or this word order in this sense: a man, a good one, which again is somewhat similar to what you can do in Greek. Now let's try the good man. What are we going to say? Again, the word for man is ish. The word for good is still tov, right? So our form is still the same. We have masculine singular nouns. But what about the additional feature here of the definite article? We're talking about the man, so we're going to add the definite article to man. We're not talking about an ish, we're talking about ha-ish, right? Now, how does this come out with the adjective? This is the point you need to realize. This is the one place where it's a little odd in English, but again, it's very similar to Greek. Don't you do this in Greek? If it's a man, a good one, then it's the man, the good one.